Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a quick and easy messy bun hairstyle for medium to long hair. To start, I'm going to divide the hair from the top of the head to just above the ears and clip this front section out of the way for later. Do this on both sides of the head. Now I'm going to split the remaining hair in half and I'm going to clip that top section away for later. And I'm going to gather the bottom section into a ponytail, but on the last turn of the elastic band I'm only going to pull it halfway through to create a loop. Then I'm going to pop my fingers under a strand of that elastic band, grab the ends and again pull it halfway through to create one more loop. Let the top section down and repeat the same ponytail. So on the last turn, only pull it halfway through to create your first loop. Pop your fingers back through the elastic band, grab the tail ends and again pull them halfway through to create a second loop. Next, I'm going to add some texture spray all over these loops. I'll pop the products I use in the description below. Starting on the top, I'm going to grab one of those loops and I'm going to take two sections next to each other and pull them in opposite directions. Hold it to the top of the head and secure with as many bobby pins as needed. And we're going to do the same for that second loop, so grab two sections next to each other, pull them in opposite directions, push them up against the bun and secure with bobby pins. And it really is that easy, so we're going to do the same steps on that bottom ponytail. So grab a couple of sections, pull them in opposite directions and secure everything with as many pins as needed. Leave any tail ends hanging out. Release those front sections and I'm going to leave a little bit out to frame the face, and then just smooth everything back to the bun and just secure it with another pin underneath the bun, leaving the tail ends free. Do this on both sides of the head. Don't forget to leave your tail ends hanging down. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.